Hi, my name is Kathleen Marr. I'm the Executive Director of the Barnum Museum, and thank you so much for giving me a moment of your time. You're here with me right now on the third floor of the glorious Barnum Museum, and no fooling, it's been through a lot in recent years. In 2010, the building was hit with an EF1 tornado. Hurricane Irene hit the building in 2011, and Superstorm Sandy in 2012. Together, this trifecta of unprecedented natural storms caused unfathomable damage. The wonderful news is that we faced the devastation determined to save this important historic building, as well as the tens of thousands of objects and documents in the collection that were also severely damaged. It's not been easy or quick, but we are unyielding. And even with COVID-19 impacting our momentum, today we are on track and we are moving forward. Now, in just a few weeks, this room is going to be filled with contractors and historic preservation experts. The exterior of the building will be repaired and restored. Upgrades to meet modern standards will be installed, and we are thrilled to be moving into the creative production phase of the re-envisioning. This is the exciting stage, where we get to take our concepts and our innovative master plans and start making them a reality. We get to map out a new imaginative guest experience that will ultimately put you at the center of the Barnum Museum's stories by seamlessly combining uncompromising scholarship and storytelling with innovative, immersive museum design. The Barnum Museum of Tomorrow will be a new kind of place, designed for a new kind of audience. It will give 21st century guests the experiences that they require. It will be emotional, immersive, cinematic, and story-driven. And we need your help to get us there. If you'd kindly consider making a contribution to the Barnum Museum's Show Must Go On campaign, we will be enormously grateful. Every dollar counts. Every word of encouragement counts. Please share this message with your friends and family and ask them to join us as well. Dare to dream big like Barnum. You inspire me and the Barnum Museum to persevere onward. In P.T. Barnum's own words, the noblest art is that of making others happy. I welcome you to join us in this worthy effort, and together we can bring the new Barnum Museum to life.